Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how do you find Discord servers. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Finding Discord servers is a straightforward process. You can find servers through the desktop application or through your web browser. Firstly, launch the Discord application on your Windows PC. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the official Discord website. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of servers you've already joined. At the bottom of the list, click the plus icon next to Add a server. On the pop-up window, click on Join Server. You can use the search bar at the top of the window to search for specific keywords related to the type of server you're looking for. But I prefer to click I don't have invite link. Now, Discord will display relevant public servers based on your search query. Once you find a server that interests you, click on it to view more details. If it fits your preferences, if there's any, click the join button to join the server. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.